Hi there, my name is Rahul. I'm going to be playing a short Carnatic lick in the Ragam Riti Gole. I'll be using this application called the Geoshred and I'll be playing on the iPad. Now you could play this on the iPad or on the guitar or any other instrument, but try and replicate the lick that I'm playing. So guys, here is the breakdown. We'll first identify the notes of the ragam. Okay, we'll play the arohanam, which is the ascending part of the ragam first. So it goes sa, ga, re, ga, ma, ni, sa. Okay, the next octave, these are the notes. Okay, now we'll look at the avarohanam, which is the descending of the ragam. It goes sa, ni, da, ma, ga, sa. So once you know the notes, to be able to play it on the iPad becomes that much more easier. So here is the first line. I'm going to play it slowly. So you see, I'm just playing the arohanam in a certain way, and it is with a couple of techniques. So the first technique is just playing the gamakam. It goes. Okay, so you just drag and then you get that nice continuity in the note. And the second part of the line is. So when I'm sustaining, I'm just shaking my finger on top of the sa, which gives it that nice vibrato. So those are the two techniques in the first line. So folks, here's the second line. It goes, I'm going to play it slowly. So an important technique here to remember is to do the gamakam again, right? So do in the upper sa, you go. Now you can play this in multiple other places, but it's helpful to take the positions that I'm taking here that will allow you to play it at the speed that you want. Like so when it goes really fast, it sounds like this. So you want to get that speed, it's good to play it on these three different points of the iPad. So folks, I'm going to play the third line now, and I'm going to play it slowly. It goes like this. So you need to play this a little faster, of course, and it sounds really nice when you play it fast. So the main technique here is to be able to use 3 fingers on your sa, re, ga, re, sa, ma, ni, da, ma, sa, re, ga, re, sa. So keep playing that slowly first. That's how you pick up speed when you're trying to play this now. Now what is also important is to get your talam right. This is on a 4x4, so you need to ensure that you're pacing this last part also along with the beat. So just playing it slowly again for your reference. The last line is fairly simple compared to the other ones. It's an ascending on the arohanam again. It goes like this, playing it slowly. So there's a lot of character when you're able to play the notes on a continuous basis. Another important tip to take is, if you see here on the screen, there is this starry thing. So if you play closer to the area that says echo level over here, then you get a very nice muted sound. But if you go up slightly higher, then you get a more sharper sound. So depending upon what sort of effect you want to give to the song, then you can accordingly place your left index finger on any part of this this area here, and it gives you a lot of different expressions, and you can try that out. If you think you've got a hang of playing that well, you should definitely record it and send in your entries on social media using the hashtag TRLickChallenge. And you could upload that on Instagram, on YouTube, or on Facebook. Ta-da!